Hey guys, it's Kingdom123 here, and today I'm doing a pike check of my Mongoose Mode 540. It has Odyssey, white Odyssey pedal. It's got dirt on it, stuff like that, twisted. It's got a 20-inch rim and tire wheel practically. It's got a bronze-colored hub, 25 by 9 tooths, another Odyssey pedal. The cranks, mongoose, 3-piece cranks. It's got a loud hub. Mongoose Mode 540 chain. Took most of the stickers off because I didn't like them. Just kept that one there. I got a Spitfire sticker on there. And these are Shadow. Let me see here. Yep. Let me see. Shadow grips and just regular mongoose handlebars. And they have the little bar end with an eagle on them. I don't know, you can't really see it, but bike caps on it are bullets, little bullet things. Yeah, and then it's gray wall on both sides of the tires, on both tires. It's light gray wall, and it actually rides pretty good. It's got this weird tread. It's got the mongoose seat, just stitching, with stuff. It's a different design from the original Mode 540, I think it is, because the original one is black and red. It's got like red walls and stuff like that, and I also have a Diamondback stem for it. I got it from my friend. Check out his YouTube channel. It's Isaac Rammel. And yeah, it's pretty smooth ride. It's loud. I can do almost a 180 on it. It's bright. Ride's pretty smooth, yeah. But that's all for my bike check. As I said before, it's a Mongoose Mode 540. Oh, and I took the brakes off of it because they didn't work. But it's a Mongoose Mode 540 with just, it doesn't have stock. It has, the only thing not stock on it is the pedals, scratches, the plugs, that sticker on the front, and the stem and the grips and the bar ends. But it's a pretty good bike for beginners. I would choose it for beginners. I mean, I got it because I'm not that good. I'm kind of a beginner, so I would really recommend this bike for beginners. And it's a good bike to ride. And this is the end of my check of Mongoose Mode 540. Please leave a like and a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Bye.